Here's a certified 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It's iconic and uncompromising and done on a grand scale. It comes with all the amenities you need. Ecotec 3 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, streaming video feed rear view mirror, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, dual zone climate control, auto tilt-away steering column, and automatic parking assist. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.